Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your profile on our Webgate Plus portal for the BRICK. As part of our managed services, your profile will be completed by our customer service department when you set up with EDI Gateway. If any of the required fields change on your side, you will be able to go in and modify them by following this simple and short video. First, log in to Webgate Plus at https://webgate.edigateway.net. Enter the username and password that was provided to you by our customer service team and then enter the security code indicated on your screen. Once you have entered Webgate Plus, click on Profile. The first one is My Information. This information was provided to us by your company when you first signed up with the retailer. Under My Information, click on the My Information tab. In this tab, you will need to enter your manufacturer code, your GST, HST or PST registration numbers, whichever are applicable to you. The BRICK doesn't require MH10 labels, so this field is not required for the moment. As a reminder, your manufacturer code is the first 6 digits of your UPC block. To get a UPC block, you need to contact GS1 Canada. Once you've entered the information, you can click on Save Changes. As a side note, if you have a GST and PST number, please repeat your GST number in the HST tax registration code. Then click on Save Changes. The second tab within My Information is Addresses. Click on Addresses to add your remit to and ship from address required by the BRICK. You will need to either create new, enter the first address type, which would be remit to, enter your DUNS number, company name, address, city, postal or zip code, country, and then province. Once you have completed this section, you click on OK. It will populate in this field right here. Then you would need to create a ship from. You start again here, click on Ship From, and enter the required information. And again, you would be clicking on OK, and it will populate here. If you need to edit an address, click on the address, then click on Edit, and you can change the information. Then click on OK. Make sure that you have included a remit to and ship from address. Your next step is to include your items. Click on Item List and click on Create New Item. Enter your vendor SKU, enter the description, enter the price, and then you may enter the weight and the unit of measure of the weight. The other fields are not required. Then you click on OK. Your catalog will be automatically updated. To import from a CSV file the complete catalog of your items, please view our video on how to upload your item list on Webgate Plus. Your next step is to click on Retailers. Click on My Retailers. Choose the appropriate retailer in the drop-down menu and then populate the information required. Please note that only the retailers that you have been set up with will be coming in this drop-down menu. Enter your vendor number, the currency, the location type. When you're using the drop-down menu, you will need to include the remit to as RI. Click on Browse and select the remit to that you have entered before and then click OK. Then you will need to enter the bill to, ship location to, bill to. Again, with the drop-down menu, select bill to, BT. Browse for the list of stores that have been uploaded for you. Once you have completed these two, you scroll up and indicate your terms. For example, this would represent 2% minus 10 days, net 30 days from the invoice date. Once you have completed, click on Save. Don't forget to save. Congratulations, you have completed your profile settings required for the BRICK. Here is how to reach us. From all of us at EDI Gateway, thank you for watching.